Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to off-campus hiring full-time jobs for the 22, 23, 24, 21 to 2020 batch. One of the most important point, Deloitte, Intel, Wipro, top MNC hiring for the freshers batch, and the all the opportunities are totally skills based. Okay, the that is not related to any particular hiring. All the hirings are skills based opportunity. If you are from any of the courses, you can apply for the opportunity any of the branches. No 60 percentage criteria. How you can apply for the opportunity? Let's start the video. Before starting on our channel online learning, we always provide latest opportunities updates, so please check and apply for the opportunity. The first opportunity is from Intel for the role of student intern BTech MTech, and the work mode is hybrid. Okay, like as a work from home as well as work from office. A candidate for a temporary position who has not yet graduated is in working towards a relevant bachelor, specialist, technical, masters or PhD degree. Okay, so the student employee can do specific work in the area of future degree or work as a. So they just mentioned that the developer software engineering group is looking for student intern to join analyzer engineering team. So the qualifications are, if you are from 2023 2024 batch and if you are in your degree current, so you can apply for this opportunity. Electronics and communication engineering also eligible for this opportunity. No 60 percentage criteria. There are so many benefits. We offer a total compensation package that ranks among the best in the industry. So one of the most important point, the stipend is in between like 20, like it is related to 25,000 to 30,000 per month. Okay, it will be totally depends on them, but if you are from 23 24, you have to apply for the opportunity. Next opportunity is from Deloitte for the role of consulting business operation OT fresher advice, and if you are a graduate batch like 22 to 2020 batch, you can apply for this opportunity, because they just mentioned that you have to work with the operation, and you are a member of operation transformation consulting team, and you have to work with group of intelligent, and that is related to some of the work. Okay, so they just mentioned that you have to build relationship and communicate effectively in order to positively influence peers and other stakeholders. They just mentioned that what is the recruiter tips. So to help with interview, we suggest you that you have to research, know some background about the organization and business area you are applying to it. So this is related, the Mumbai is the location. Apply for this opportunity, one of the good opportunity. The next opportunity is from Wipro, and Wipro are hiring for two roles: customer service representative and systems engineer. So the Noida, India is the location. Wipro HR services team India is private looking for a customer service representative, and customer service through calls, chat and email, and experience is 0 to 2 years. If you are graduates batch, you can apply for the opportunity. You have excellent communication skills. Okay, so if you are graduate in BCom, BA, BCA, BBM, BSc, BS, IT, expect states, max honors and eco, you can apply for the opportunity. Full time MBA, BE, BTech graduates with minimum 6 months of BPO experience. Undergraduate expect pursuing any regular course with specialization current year 12th pass out. So you can also apply for the opportunity like they just mentioned that, but this is related to non-technical role. The technical role is systems engineer, and if you are for graduates batch 22 to 2020, you can apply for the opportunity. All the opportunities are very good. Apply for this. Thanks for watching the video.